Today we're going to demonstrate replacing the key switch on your cardboard vertical baler. You're going to need a multimeter, 2 screwdrivers. Alright, step 1, we're going to come over here to your electrical disconnect and we're going to shut the power off. Next, we're going to secure it with our lockout to make sure that nobody turns the power on while we're working on the unit. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the electrical panel. We're going to open up the box. Alright. Next, for our safety, we're going to use our multimeter to verify that there is no power going out to the switch. I like to do it here at the bottom of the transformer. This is 110 volts going out to the controls. And as you can see, we've got 0 volts. We are safe. Go ahead and turn that off. Next, you're going to reach in, grab the contacts, grab the nut on the exterior, spin that off of there, and pull it out. Set our parts here. We're going to reuse some of these. Alright. Now, this is normally open contact. When the contact goes closed, it's like touching these 2 wires together. So it doesn't matter what order we take these off in or put them back on, so long as we put them across the same kind of contact. So we'll loosen those screws up. Disconnect the wires. We are good. Then we're just going to reverse these steps and install our new switch. In some cases, the switches don't come with the contacts. If that's what you get, just keep in mind all you need to do is remove this screw right here. Take the contact off. Pay close attention to this little cam inside. This is what actually presses the contact. So if you put it on, the contact on wrong, it will miss it and the switch won't work. That would be the first thing to check if after you replace the switch you can't get the power onto the baler. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and reinstall that contact. Make sure it's tight. Alright. We're going to take our spacers. Oh, I'm sorry. First we're going to put the wires back on. Remember, it doesn't matter which one goes on the top, which one goes on the bottom. Alright, give them a tug to make sure everything's tight. Put the spacers on, make sure that we're putting our key switch on correctly. The next, see this ring here, it's got that, it lines up with this slot, right? If we look out here, we can see that there's a little notch there for this to go into. This is what prevents the key switch from being spun around every time they turn it on and off. It's very important that that be in place to keep the switch from moving. And we are done. Go ahead and close everything back up. And we're good to go.